Our Eve, promoting the game and its players. Hey there, my name is Johnny Pugh, in-game character name Sir Livingston, and welcome to this edition of Our Eve. Today I'm going to be demonstrating the new turret sounds that were revamped by Team Klang. I'm going to go through the small and the medium size, not the large guns because I have no large gun skills on this character, so just the small and medium. I went through the autocannon, railguns, blasters, lasers, all of them. So here we go with the first one, 200mm autocannons. This right here is the 280mm howitzer artillery. The small focus pulse laser. The small focus beam laser. The light neutron blasters. $150mm railgun. $425mm autocannon. This is the 720mm howitzer artillery. And next up is the heavy pulse laser on the Harbinger. And the heavy beam laser. Very nice. Hope you like the rainbows. I thought I'd give it a nice touch. The heavy neutron blasters. This is the 250mm railguns. And that, everyone, is the last of the new revamped turret sounds, small and medium, not large, small and medium. And these were done by Team Klang, going to be out in Retribution very soon. And I'll tell you what, they sounded pretty good. I'm looking forward to it. Thank you so much for watching this edition of Our Eve. I'll see you next time.